Hey everyone, Matt 𝘼𝐼𝐼𝐼 from Razor Emporium coming at you today for a quick product spotlight video looking at none other than Antiga Barbearia de Bairro. Well, Antiga has been a part of Razor Emporium's line for several years now, I think at least 4. And years ago we shot a spotlight video, but it's time to bring them back and refresh your guys' memories on some of the things we carry if you already forgot somehow. But Antiga Barbearia de Bairro, which I know sounds like a mouthful, just means the old barbershop of the neighborhood. It is a line that screams Portugal. If you did not already get that by looking at the packaging, the colors, the branding, this is everything Portugal. So the founder, Luís Pereira, he wanted to create a line of products that kind of really would be able to represent quality barbershop products, quality things that really should be in every barbershop, they're very famous and very popular in Portugal, especially in the cities. And he wanted his products in there. You know, I know that we talk about Parácio and other great European lines, Italian lines of products, but you know, if you're Portuguese, maybe you don't want your barbershop to be filled with Italian products or English shaving products. You want to have something near and dear to home, and that's what Antiga represents. It's not just looks like Portugal, it smells like Portugal. Most of these scents are things that grab inspiration from local plants, cities, famous marketplaces, famous architecture, and so it really is something that is homegrown and authentic, and I love that. I've never been to Portugal, but this line alone is what makes me want to go there just to get a classic barbershop shave with some of these awesome products. Let's take just a few moments to go through some of the scent lines and tell you about what they smell like. So the first line is in the orange packaging. It's called the Ribeira, and it is reminiscent of the Porto landscape. It is beautifully wrapped in retro style. These bright colors kind of represent the sunshine, the colorful houses in that area, and has lingering masculine citrus and woodsy aromas. Next up is the Principal Real line, and that's in the green packaging, and it's inspired by the Principal Real Gardens in Lisbon. It is beautifully wrapped in this very handsome and retro style packaging. I love it. It has warm and sensual oriental aromas. Last up is the Chiado line, and that's in the white packaging. And the whole look and feel of this line is actually inspired by mosaic sidewalks that are beautifully tiled in blues and grays and whites in the city area. And this has more of a modern scent. I really like it. Well, that is what we got for today with the Antiga Barbearia line. It will have to come in for another shave review video because every time I do a spotlight, I start reading things off and remembering the smells. I'm like, oh, we gotta bring that back. We gotta do it. So I promise we'll bring these back very, very soon for a shave review video. And tell me which one I should use in the video. Tell me in the comments below. I want to know what you guys think. That's all I got. Check out Antiga Barbearia de Bairro, the barbershop in the old neighborhood. Maybe it can grace your shaving den. That's all I got. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time at Razor Emporium for all things vintage shaving. Thanks, guys.